How does myasthenia gravis work? Well, normally functioning, a neuron from the brain is going to send a signal to a muscle cell. The way it does that is it releases what's called acetylcholine into this space. Acetylcholine is a chemical that will actually bind to these little receptors on the muscle cell itself. And once these bind, it'll actually open up the gates. This opening will allow this muscle cell to actually contract. And the more the acetylcholine, the more the muscle will contract because it will bind to all these different receptors. The problem with myasthenia gravis is you have what's called B cells. And these B cells are not very smart. In fact, they begin making what's called antibodies that will begin attacking those receptors. When the antibodies attack the receptors, they actually destroy them so that they can't receive the signal. And these guys are the actual cause of myasthenia gravis. So once these receptors are damaged, they really cannot be repaired. This will lead to fewer receptor sites for acetylcholine, leading to less contractions, as well as weakness. The way this is treated is through a chemical called ARIs. This stands for acetylcholine reuptake inhibitor. So normally once acetylcholine hops out to talk to the muscle cell, it'll actually get reuptaken. What these drugs do is actually block that reuptake, keeping acetylcholine in the space. This leads to a higher percentage chance of actually binding to these receptors, thus leading to the muscle contractions.